Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a green and gold smoky eye, and I'm going to be using the Emily Edit the Once palette to create this look. I have been loving this eyeshadow palette, love the formula, love the colors, and this has actually been a pretty requested tutorial for me to create. With all that said, let's dive into this tutorial.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never never